So I think taking part, share what I'm going through with somebody, and somebody share what they're going through with me. And we can live through what we're going through. Yeah.
So the PEACS program is an initiative because it's a pilot project aiming to better meet the needs of people struggling with chronic pain, and in particular one of the most underserved communities is the Black community here in Lambeth. So it takes a biopsychosocial approach. It tries to draw on some of the latest research and best practice and connects areas that are often disparate, like nutrition, like physiotherapy, like psychology, and connects them in a way that feels more relevant and whole, and more reflective of people struggling with chronic pain.
What I like is that when we've had our sessions, we can ask questions, but it's a two-way conversation. It's not just somebody speaking all the time. You go around the group and everyone has something to say, and we're given the time to actually say it. We're not rushed through it, so we feel like we're being listened.
Sometimes when you're going through this chronic pain and all of that, you think that you're alone. But then when you realize that somebody out there is going through the same thing or even worse than you, it makes you feel a lot better within inside.
It feels like it really has been relevant. We had some unsolicited feedback about how people have found this, and I think that speaks really well.
The program's been fantastic. I can't actually think of something to improve it. It's covered everything. There hasn't been one session where I thought they could have added. So they've done a fantastic job. Well done to the team.